Can I have a second with you? I just wanted to check in because sometimes life really feels so quiet in a way that isn't peaceful at all. The silence become too loud and the days even feels longer. When you are just left with the thought that do someone really think about me or bothers to think that what am I doing right now or where I am? If this sounds familiar to you, I just want to say one thing to you that you are not broke. You are not broke. Loneliness isn't a sign of weakness, isn't a sign that something wrong is with you. No. Loneliness is a sign that something absolutely right with you. That is, loneliness hurts you. Why it hurts you? Because closeness, strength in relationship, bond matters to you. Like, isn't it strange that you are surrounded by hundreds of people? Still, you're feeling lonely? Yes, it is strange. Because loneliness isn't about how many people you are around, but it is about, like, are you seen or valued by them? You can be around hundreds of people, you can be physically present there, but they don't even notice you, or they don't even bothers to talk to you. So it feels heavy. And when that feeling to be around people and to be valued and respected by them, to be heard by them, that feeling is missing. It feels really heavy. Really, really heavy. I know that. And I feel you guys. I really feel you. And throughout this time, I have also felt there was a phase in my time when I felt loneliness. And I'm making this video today because after all that has happened in my life, I have learned one thing out of it that I'm very sure about, and I really want to share it with you. So you also feel that in my way and you try to learn something new, that it is not at all permanent in your life. Just have this perception in you, have this perspective that this is a hard phase of my life and this is not at all permanent. This is gonna end sometime. And I really want to tell you, yeah, I'm making this video not to share such practical advices, but to have a comfortable and a mature conversation about this feeling that many of us feel. And the feeling of loneliness is very common. But when it starts happening often and when it starts impacting your life, then the actual problem starts. And then you need to tackle it down. You need to come out of it. You know? And I hope, my lovely beings, that I really believe in you. You would get through this tough phase of life and you would come out of it and you would learn a lot things from this tough time. Because you know, कि hard times जब life में आते हैं, and this loneliness is one of that. Okay. So we learn a lot out of it. I just want to make you कि ये जो आपके लाइफ में भी ये फेज चल रहा होगा ना, I just want to make sure कि I just want to you to understand कि ये टाइम है ना, don't think that this is worthless. ये मेरी लाइफ का वो वाला फेज है जो मैं सोचना भी नहीं चाहूँगा इन द फ्यूचर, रिमेंबर भी नहीं करना चाहूँगा. आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि ग्रेट थिंग्स और जो ग्रेट लर्निंग्स है वो टफ पीरियड से ही आती है ऑफ लाइफ. अ पर्सन हु इज़ वेरी मेच्योर इमोशनली, वो मेच्योर कैसे हुआ? ऑफकोर्स उसने भी ऐसे ही कुछ फेस किया होगा उसकी लाइफ में. देन ही उसने वो फेस को से बाहर निकला हूँ एंड देन ही लर्न अ लॉट थ्रू दैट फेज and he became a better human being. You know, I don't criticize this time because when I remember the time when I used to suffer from it a lot. So, मैं जब उसको सोचती हूँ, so I don't feel bad कि यार ये मेरे दिमाग में क्यों आ रहा है. I feel proud. Why would I feel proud? क्योंकि that phase was a tough phase of my life and I went through it. I conquered it. I defeated it. And I came to this point of my life and I learned a lot from this life. So from that phase, I learned a lot. And that is a mark of my success, I would say. that I defeated that hard phase of my life and I came all this way long. So I'm proud of myself that I did that. I didn't quit. I didn't lose hope. I always had that positivity into me that बुरा वक्त है हमेशा ही थोड़ी रहेगा लाइफ में. It will go. Believe in that. That's a very, it's really philosophical, but it's really, really effective. But आप ये चीज़ दिमाग में रख के चलते हैं ना, तो it has helped me many things. कि कोई भी अब मेरे साथ छोटी मोटी चीज़ें, मैं पहले स्ट्रेस भी बहुत देती थी कोई भी छोटी चीज़ों का, तो अब मैं क्या करने लग गई हूँ, कोई भी चीज़ अगर मुझे स्ट्रेस या एंशियस करती है तो ऐसे कि यार ये नहीं रहेगा कल परसों या हमेशा मेरी लाइफ में नहीं रहेगा. अगर आज मैं फेस कर रही हूँ तो ठीक है, जैसे तैसे टाइम को निकाल. इट वुड नॉट बी इन फ्यूचर. और वो थॉट फिर उस एंजाइटी को, स्ट्रेस को इतना कम कर देता है दैट इट हेल्प्स मी. आई थिंक दैट्स होप फॉर गुड टाइम. एंड आई थिंक you guys should also have that. You should also feel that कि ये जो loneliness वाला जो phase है, it will go and you would feel good. And you would learn a lot and lot. You know, when God makes us a warrior, He gives us hardships, man. Seriously. He gives us all the hardship so that we face it and we defeat it and we learn a lot through it and become a better person and move on and achieve greater heights in our life. So that's one of that phase. Okay. So if you're feeling it right now, I'm going to say in the future, you will be proud of yourself that though you felt it and it was hard to you, but you tackled it down. You went through all of that and you would learn many lessons out of it and you would become a better human being. I believe in it. And one day you'll be proud of it. Because हमारी जो journey होती है, when we reach the peak of the success, तो हम हमारी वो journey जो कि full of challenges, obstacles, hardships, हम उसी को remember करके हम वो success की value feel कर पाते हैं. So that's the beauty of that. You know, and I just want to say कि I just want एक ही advice to give last में. I don't want to give any such practical advices to you about how to do it and how to tackle it and all, like everyone does. But I'll just give you one advice that believe me that whatever I'm saying, कि this is just, loneliness is just, and this hard time, this phase is just like a season which will go on, and which will just change and which will go on. It won't be forever in your life. This simple thought can make great impacts in your life. Seriously, just believe this. You know, and I have also learned a lot of things from this. मैंने सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये सीखी इससे कि I have started like enjoying everything. मतलब पहले I hesitated कि मुझे जो अच्छा लगता था करने के लिए, I hesitated कि ठीक है बाद में कर लेंगे this and that. If I like something, if I want to do something, I do it. I literally do it. To make myself happy, to feel joy. Because if there's no one around me, so I don't need anyone to make me happy. I am there. I can make myself, if I want to do something, you know, this like paintings and this wall painting and the crafts that I've made it a few days back and I was really feeling like empty and kind of loneliness. So I thought I should do something fun that would make me feel happy, that would make me feel at peace. So I did this. And it went like 2 hours went by and I was so focused in making it and I felt like so peaceful and I didn't got distracted at all. And I was feeling so light and relieved after that because I did what I like. So you have an opportunity to explore yourself, to let yourself do everything that you love to do. This is an opportunity for you. And then you will understand the worth of this time. Really. The second thing which I really like, the second habit which I got because of this is journaling. Oh my God. I heard कि सब बोलते हैं journaling करो. But when like मैंने कभी try नहीं किया. But पता था कि journaling करना चाहिए, अच्छी बात होती है. But जब तक कि मुझे एकदम से अंदर से urge नहीं आई to do it, I didn't do it. Then like it's been months to that time, like now it's been months I'm doing journaling. But सबसे पहले बार मैंने कब journaling की, because एक time था like when I was so like full of thoughts and emotions, and no one was there around me with whom I can share it. I was like full of information, my head was heavy, full of thoughts कि normally तो घर पे बात होती है कि हाँ जो normal बातें हम फैमिली से करते हैं और क्या, but real conversation we don't do it, yeah. So that real conversation where I can express my thoughts, I can share my emotions. It's उस चीज को हुए हुए इतना टाइम हो गया था, it was, my head was full of it. So I was like कि I should dump all of it somewhere. And I was like कि मैंने सोचा कि if there's no one, there's one thing, that is my diary. Then I just started writing everything, every thought into it. And I was feeling, while writing, I was feeling so peaceful, because writing is a very like peaceful work to do. So while writing and while my every thought and emotion which I was trying to express, I was writing it out into the diary, and I was feeling that there was someone who is listening to me completely without even judging me and without even saying anything, and without even judging me, just listening to me. And I was feeling that I'm just speaking everything that I want to speak, and there's someone silently sitting there and listening to me. I felt that, and I felt so peaceful. I didn't had anyone there. So I picked my diary and I started writing it and everything. And then it felt like that my diary was there, who listened everything and didn't even judged me. After that, I felt so peaceful. My head was light, and I didn't had much thoughts then, which I was like suffering to express, and I felt so good. So after that, the habit of journaling I started, and I really enjoy it. I really, not just when I'm sad, but when I'm really overwhelmed, I'm really happy. I start writing ki, hey diary, how are you? I'm so happy today. This happened with me. Today I experienced this. And it's like a friend to me now. And I feel so at peace. That's a very, very good habit. And I know that I'm saying you, you won't start it. You won't start journaling unless and until you feel it. That's what happened in my life. I heard about journaling, but I didn't started it until I had that urge that I need someone now to listen to me. So I started journaling. So there would be your time when you will have that urge to do it, and you will start that too, and you will feel the peace. And I hope that time would come in your life soon. And बस यही अपना एक्सपीरियंस एक मैं बताना चाहती थी कि loneliness can be tackled by you, and you just need a different mindset and different perspective to think about it, and you can conquer it. It's a hard feeling, but it gives you many other opportunities too. When you are lonely, you don't have anyone, but then you realize that you have yourself. You can enjoy yourself. You can start doing all the things that you have been limiting to do. I did that. When I was all alone, I was like, let's go there. I always wanted to go at that place. Let's go there now. And I went alone. I felt that peace. I enjoyed it. And then when I came, I realized I don't need anyone. I'm not saying ki you don't need anyone, so it's good to be all alone. But you don't need to beg to anyone, or your happiness doesn't rely on others. You have to understand this. And when you understand this, your mindset is shifted, and then half of the problem is solved. And that's how you can tackle it. Not by any kind of practical tips that do this, do that, go out, get involved into a group, start chatting, and this and that. I don't think, because I know that it doesn't really happen. You can only conquer it when you shift your mindset, when you have a different perspective of viewing it, then it can really help you. And I hope this video would have really helped you. And if you really liked it, please share it. Please share it with all those people who you think that would need it. Please. I really want to help. I'm not making this video just for content and views. I'm really making this video because I felt it in my life. And वो सब experiences के बाद मैंने जो उस चीज़ों से समझा, which is very valuable, I want to share it with you guys so that you can understand it और वो तुम्हें help करे. And when आप उस चीज़ को solve कर पाते हो, then please help another people by sharing it. Thank you so much. And I hope soon better time will come. I hope soon this all hardship and pain will go and you would feel better. I believe in it. You would. Thank you so much.